Good afternoon. Welcome to NYFP. Today I'm joined by Doreen Mogavero of Mogavero and Lee. Good afternoon, Doreen. Thanks for joining me.
Good afternoon. Very nice to be here. Thank you.
Well, we're starting off the week with Eurozone jitters, and we are seeing the major U.S. stock averages all dip into negative territory. But what are you watching until the end of today's trading session?
Well, we're not really, we're not at the lows of the days. We're sort of midway. And I think that volatility is going to be the way of the world, I believe. I think tech's did a little better this morning, but overall everything is pretty much down. And I think the trend seems to be down. People are looking, this is a very heavy data week for us. So we have CPI, PPI, initial jobless claims, and tomorrow we have small business optimism number, which I think will be very interesting because, as you know, small business employs most of the workforce in the United States, and I think it'll be very interesting to see how the small businesses are feeling.
And indeed, Doreen, following President Barack Obama's jobs plan, investors will be interested in seeing how small businesses are doing. And in terms of the Eurozone, how are you protecting your interest, and what should traders out there do given all the jitters?
Well, I think the jitters are there. I think, and a lot of it is already anticipated and already expected and sort of baked into the cake, as we say here in the markets. I think as the facts and the figures begin to unfold, people will begin to realize the enormity of it or not, and will adjust their positions accordingly. I mean, I don't know that there's much we can do other than be cautious.
And last but not least, before we wrap it up for today's interview, what sectors are you paying attention to right now?
Well, we pay attention to every sector in a market like this, but financials, as you know, are always one of the things that we keep a very close eye on. You can't really have any kind of a rally, or at least any kind of a sustained rally in the market without the financials. They're very heavily weighted, and obviously they are the core of the marketplace. So that's the sector we all watch in times like this very closely.
Okay, Doreen, as always, thank you so much for your insight.
You're very welcome. Thank you.